What's up everyone? So today we're working on the C5 Corvette. Have some issues with the back tire having a slow leak. My cousin Anita came by to help me take off the tire. Granted, she did most of the work. I was telling her that I actually saw what was causing the slow leak. So this is her actually looking for it. And turns out that it's right there. It happened to be a long screw, so we got the tire patched. Took it back home, then Anita put the tire back on the car, and then me cheering her on, go Anita, go. But yeah, you know, she did a good job, and big up Anita.